Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial that many of you have been asking for: how to change the default language in your Spotify app on your iPhone, specifically for iOS 18 and later. Whether you're learning a new language or simply prefer Spotify in your native tongue, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's launch the Spotify app on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials now. Once you're on the Spotify main page, look for your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. This will take you to your account overview. Next, you'll need to access the settings, scroll down slightly, and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where we'll find the language options. Now, look for the section labeled Content and Display. It's usually located within the middle section of the menu. Tap on it to proceed. In the Content and Display menu, scroll down until you see Display Preferences. Within that section, you'll find App Language. Tap on App Language to continue. You'll see a message prompt, read it carefully, and then tap Continue to proceed. This will redirect you to your iPhone's app settings. Now you're in the Spotify app's specific settings. Look for Language under the Preferred Language section and tap on it. Finally, you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language. Simply tap on it to select it. You should see the changes immediately when you relaunch the Spotify application. The language will now be set to your new preference. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully changed the default language for Spotify on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to help our channel grow. You can also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.